In this tutorial, you will learn to create management items such as grower, farm, and field in the new InCommand Go displays. Creating organized management items in your display makes it faster and more convenient for you to record accurate data while operating. From the home screen, tap Setup, and then tap Management. To add a grower, tap the green plus sign. The grower refers to the business or individual that is using the display for an operation. Tap the green plus sign and type in the name of your grower. Tap the green check when finished. Farms are used to organize several fields. Farms are often used to differentiate between rented and owned ground. You must have a grower to add a farm and a farm to add a field. Tap the green plus sign to add a farm. Type in the name of your farm and tap the green check when finished. Fields are subsets of farms and refer to specific plots of land. Add a new field by tapping the green plus sign and typing in the name of your field. When finished, tap the green check and then tap the green check when you have your grower, farm, and field added. Grower, farm, and field names can be changed at any time by highlighting the name and tapping on the keyboard. Highlight the grower by tapping on the name and then tap the wrench. More specific information can be entered here, such as phone number, email, and address. You can also edit grower information under the Business tab. Now tap the Season tab to see any seasons already in the display. A season is a calendar year that the crop will be harvested. A season needs to be set as active before the display will log any data. Tap the green plus sign, type in the season name, and then enter the start and expiration date. Tap the green check when finished. Now you will be able to create management items such as grower, farm, and field in the new InCommand Go displays. For more information on the setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.